Hey Laura, Orlando with Soaring SEO. We spoke on the phone earlier today. I appreciate you taking my call and I appreciate you clicking on this video. This video, I simply just want to show you three things that you guys are able to implement yourself to get you guys more customers through the door. And now you're probably asking yourself why, right? Why would I be sending you guys a video like this? The reason being is I've seen so many business owners are just simply too busy um, to come in here, do the research on the internet and see how it truly impacts a business. And I've seen that when it's time to outsource this, there's a hesitation there by business owners because they don't know who the expert is. And by giving a video like this with just a bunch of information and just a bunch of tips and tricks that you guys are able to implement yourself, I've seen that business owners that came back to me and say, "Hey, you know what, Orlando, we'd like to we're too busy, so would you be able to do this for us?" So, Laura, if by the end of this video you like what you've heard and you believe I have plenty of tricks up my sleeve that can really benefit your team, send me a message and we'll chat. Or if you simply just want to implement this yourself, that is absolutely fine with me. All I ask for is a review on how I did on this video. So let's get right into it. The three things that I want to talk about is content, citation, and backlinks. Those are going to be the most important things when coming in here and Google when they're coming in here and ranking your page. Now, content is everything. Content. Like they say, content is king. And the average website on the first page of a Google search, the ones that have the most authority, have about 1,500 to 2,000 words worth of content on their homepage. And that is going to be including like pictures and videos that you guys have here. In general, you guys actually have a good little layout for your website. Plenty of content on there and reviews from your previous customers, so that's good. If we come in here and we grab everything that's going to be considered content in Google's eyes, and we come in here, clear this out, and see how much words you guys actually have with the content. So you guys have 1,200 words worth of content, which isn't bad, but you really want to aim in order to just knock your competition out of the water is aim for that 2,000 mark. And with you guys having an HVAC company, it's not going to be hard with the amount of services that you guys provide. I would just put in there a little bit more information, but I would just highly suggest to add in their keywords or key phrases. If you're asking yourself what is that, all it is just simply something that somebody would type into this search bar engine here onto Google, like the one that I did here. The AC repair Fort Worth, Texas. That's a key phrase that I use, and that alone right here is getting 170 searches every single month. So by you guys not being on this first page, you guys are missing out on a lot of potential clients. So if we come in here and we actually grab that key phrase and we try to find that on your page, you can see that it's nowhere to be found. So when you guys are adding in that content, you want to really just add that bad boy in there a couple of times and maybe just even some pictures you guys have throughout, or images that you have here. Let's see, save as. Let's see what you guys. So local heating, air conditioning. So you guys maybe just add in there and rename them some of this AC repair Fort Worth and add that in there a couple times when you guys add a little bit more content. Second thing is citation. Now that's going to do with this map area. Google My Business. Um, all a citation is the name of your company, the address, and the phone number. Now you're trying to get your citation in as many directories as possible. Some of the bigger examples would be like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yellow Page, um, White Page, City Star. Those are all some of the bigger platforms that you can go out there and grab and are great citations. And if you don't already have a citation on there, I would just highly suggest to get on there. And the key to thing to getting ranked up here on this first page is really just look at what your competition has, because obviously the citations that they have on their page is working for them to get them ranked up here, so they're going to work for them. So you would want to do like what I call as a copycat method, and we'll actually look at this tool that I personally use here in a quick second once I explain backlinks. Now with backlinks here on this second section is this organic search area. This kind of takes into consideration all three with rich content on your page and citation and with backlinks, but this is where the backlinks play the biggest factor. Now with backlinks, it's just like a big popularity contest. All of Google really is just a big popularity contest. Is just getting as many websites site A linking back to your page site B. Now some examples, something that you don't want to necessarily do is get site A is, say you do a job for a restaurant, maybe you guys do some maintenance or something like that for a restaurant. They add a link to their page, going back to your homepage site B, and that restaurant's page is going to act as link juice and power going back to your your page. And what it does is, in Google's eyes, is going to give you that authority and that power that you need in order to get ranked up in this first page. But the thing is not all backlinks and citations are created equal. So by you guys having that restaurant, it's not going to give you the power and authority that it would have if, per se, you guys got that from like an HVAC company, a subcontractor, contractor that you guys have maybe worked with in the past. So Google's going to really take that into consideration, the type of backlinks that you have, and like with a restaurant, like I was saying, they're going to see that you guys are in the restaurant game. You guys don't sell food or anything like that. So it wants to have something that's relatable to the field of your work. What I'll show you here is Ahrefs. It is a great tool that I personally use. It is a couple $100 a month. Um, but there's plenty of tools out there that you can go and get on Google that are absolutely for free, that you can check your citation, your backlinks, and the keywords that you're getting found for. If you could see, if you could take a look at here, what you have on your page, you have 45 referring websites that are linking back to your page that are giving you 699 backlinks, and you're getting found for 100 keywords, but you're not getting a whole lot of traffic on your website. So what's that's telling me is, even though you guys have a good looking website, you guys have plenty of videos to really engage your customers onto your page, and a quick call to action here to get you guys customers. Nobody's looking at this website. And the reason being is, like I said here, even with your keyword, that's not even on there. So throwing that in there is really going to help. So the keywords that you're getting found for aren't necessarily doing much for you. And what you're going to want to do is, along with the citations, the backlinks, is look at the competition and see what they have. So if you can see here, some of the ones that you're getting ranked for is HVAC quotes near me, Bedford AC. So if you guys are going in that area, you guys are ranked 32nd for that. So that would be on the fourth page. AC repair, air conditioning repair, Arlington, Texas. You guys are in 47th place. So that's in that fifth, the middle of that fifth page. So you guys really need to watch the keywords that you guys are getting. So the competition that I actually grabbed is Baker Brothers. So if we can actually see what they have going on here, you could see the backlinks that they have, and we can come in here and actually click on those backlinks. And that's what we would be going in here and grabbing the backlinks that they have, like I was talking about earlier. What your competition has, obviously it's working for them. Baker Brothers are number one here on this organic search area. Um, so by grabbing the backlinks that they have, you're not going to go wrong. If it's working for them, it's going to work for you. So you'd come in here and look at what they have: hunker.com, expertise.com, Better Business Bureau, three best rated, and the list just kind of goes on and on. And what you would want to do is not only just look at that competition, the Baker Brothers, but continuously look at the citations that Fort Worth has and North Tarrant has, so you can really not only just get where they're at, but go beyond that. If they have 300 or 500 backlinks, go a little bit beyond that and do 100 more, and really blow the competition out of the water and get yourself ranked up here on top of Fort Worth air conditioning. And that kind of goes back, if we continue to look at, even if you want to continue to look at some of these keywords that they personally have. But that kind of wraps everything up as far as what I wanted to talk about. Again, a quick little recap. If we actually, if we continue to look at some of these, see, look, you can see plumbers, Dallas, Texas. You can see Baker Bros, plumbers. So they're getting a little bit of plumbing in there as well as HVAC in the Dallas area, Fort Worth AC repair. So you can see they're number one on that. But like I said, that kind of wraps everything up. You can see the differences in keywords, and that's really what you're going to want to do. Is, you guys have a good looking website, but you want to get people to start looking at it. So 1,500 words to 2,000. You guys have plenty of content as it is, but just the quality of content, add that bad boy in there a couple of times to get you guys ranked up higher, especially with such a high search volume. Citation, Facebook, LinkedIn. If you guys don't already have it, go in there, grab them. Citations and backlinks, you want to see what your competition has, like Baker Brothers and the rest of these guys. See what they have, implement what they have, and the faster that you guys start doing this, the faster you're going to start seeing yourself rank a lot higher and start seeing yourself grow and get on that first page. um, that kind of goes with everything. Like I said, the faster you guys get going on this, the faster you're going to see the ranking. But if you guys need somebody, some help, to get you guys really going on this and get your website going on the right direction, and get people to see this website, give me a call at 719-924-7601. I look forward to hearing from you guys.